What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Prophet back from another video. And it's Father's Day weekend, so happy Father's Day to everybody. Father's Day 2021, so happy Father's Day, you feel me? It's a car show in the city today, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull down there for a minute, get some good content for y'all. Run into my guy, Bads on the Go, YouTube channel, Bads on the Go. Cool cat. He into the same thing I'm into, man. He like to buy cars, restore them, customize them, you know, all that good stuff, man. So I'm gonna go down there and give y'all a sneak peek of what's to come with me and him. You know what I mean? We're gonna top it up and got some good collab material coming on, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned, lock in, subscribe to my channel, like this video, all that YouTube stuff from the very beginning, man. Y'all feel me? So let's go ahead and get to it, baby. You right clean over here, big time. I had to come over and check you out, man.
77 Monte Carlo.
I know, I'm gonna give you my car, big time. I just told my guy I'm trying to find me one just like this, and you pulled right up with one.
Straight up.
Yeah, you looking good though, pimp. We got a car show going on. Got my guy Bags on the Go over here with the mean Monte Carlo SS, sitting on the Ruchis. Look at that. It's that rap gang right there for you boys, man. I'm telling you, how that rap gang taking over. Everybody gonna pull over here like, what's going on? Right. You hear me? Man, I got Candy out here. You feel me? I'm telling you, man. It's about the details though, Bag. You definitely got the details going on over here.
This your first time seeing it.
It is.
Last time I was driving
the two-door Caprice. Yep. Look at the details, man.
Oh, we want to talk details. Let me show you this.
He gonna show y'all the details himself. He gonna point everything out, man. But this interior though, man, that just caught my eye right away. You understand? You got the mats together. How you get the bags on the go on the mat, man? On the flow mats.
Yeah.
Come on now. If you're gonna come correct. That's nice. I need details off camera where you got those from, man.
Okay. We got the speaker pods down there.
Yup. Look at that. That's neat.
You might want to pull your car over. They're gonna be.
It's all about being neat.
And we got the center dash.
That'd be how they can go around for a minute.
So the red and the black on the doors. That's what's gonna tie in. That was on the dash.
Okay. Yup. The original dash plate over there, the Chevrolet.
And then for everything in the back is the same, all suede, diamond stitching.
I like that. So you had redid your top, your headliner?
No headliner.
That's original too?
Yep. Only the visors are done in the suede.
And that
everything else, the headliner say
so
A1. You can tell how the interior was from the beginning.
Yep.
I ain't even need to touch it. I could have took it out, but
that.
I was like, for what? Leave it. That's the only thing original.
Yep. You had your little center cup holder console built in right here. With the double din. That's nice, man. Gotta do a full walk around. Bags on the grill.
We just eliminated a lot of wires and hoses you didn't need. Just cleaned up the top end, put some headers on it.
305, 350?
305
with headers.
Yeah. Just dressed it. You know what I'm saying? We just dressed it. Put a new intake.
And they look good.
Same carb. That's a factory carb. The headers, they long tube headers. Yeah, so I said the intake, and then we just put the valve covers on it, and then with the shorty air breather, and just straighten up everything. And then the audio, look at the audio, so neat.
See, that's neat, man. Got new control arms, upper control arms on there.
Well, if you want to see everything up under there, if I can tell you that, everything is brand new. You might want to put your camera.
Yeah, for those who don't know what I'm talking about, this right here is a, uh-oh, I lost my camera. Upper control arm right here.
Tubeless.
Brand new joint.
Tubes. So yeah.
Upper and lower?
Yep, upper and lower. Everything up under there is brand new.
Yeah, that's nice.
Take them through the front view.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to zoom in that good. No, I can't even do it. I got steady mode on, but that's how you do it, man. You gotta pop the trunk real quick. I see how clean these audio wires are. I gotta see the actual trunk. Show me everything. He got the armor on the tire lining, got man glossed up.
The trunk this winter.
Route for Falls Gate.
I had a time. Okay. I need my car back in a couple of months.
That's all you need. That look good right there, man. I know you probably end up going with like a bags right here or some kind of display. Look at him. I know what's coming because he all about details. Yes, sir.
How you even think of that? Who did that?
I like that, man. Check out my man's bags on the go. Bags on the go. Check them out, my baby.
Backdrop for the back window as well. Just something a little simple.
I like that too.
To match the center dash, it's like that back to the original.
That's neat, man. Let me go ahead and move my car. That car badass, man. That color matching mine, huh?
The white car that's going in right now?
That drop top?
Yep, this is his car too.
Oh, shit.
Yep.
Oh, he's showing his ass.
Yes, he is.
So yeah, we had a good time, man. It was a nice little car show. I didn't get a chance to go in the car show. I had to sit outside and just get the best content I could, man, because I ain't going to get caught in that long line. Like, once you went in, it was one way in, one way out. I didn't want to go in there and get stuck, man. I had the plans lined up, but I see my man. I see his clean money, Carlo. You know what I mean? So like I said, make sure y'all lock in. This one number the sneak peek, man. So I got a lot to see. We got more to come. He gonna be teaching me the game about car wraps, and he got a bunch of other old schools y'all ain't really seen yet, man. So we got a lot coming, man. Make sure y'all lock in. Like I always say, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, like this video, share it, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know. Let's go ahead and get to it, man.